So let's talk a little bit about what you've seen. Has COVID impacted things, or has that not really made its way to the deal space just yet?
Oh, certainly it's impacted the deal space with regard to potential exits. You know, it's put a freeze on many companies. But on the other hand, it's also gotten people to rethink about the healthcare landscape. And so you see, again, deals that have become much more significant in the telemedicine space, for instance. You know, much more activity going on there. You see things in the venue shifting space, much more focus on that as well. So it certainly has changed the deal landscape. Initially, there was a pause, but now people are rethinking healthcare, not just in the immediate, but also longer term with regard to the impact that COVID will have on healthcare.
You know, it seems like a really difficult place to try and kind of figure out what the future is going to look like, because for a long time now, you had the Obama administration building up the Affordable Care Act and then the Trump administration trying to dismantle it. What happens now that the Biden administration is going to be coming in, and how do you kind of anticipate where the right place is to be making deals?
Well, for us, we try to focus on three key areas. How do you improve patient outcomes? How do you lower costs? How do you create greater access? And we feel like that if we can approach each and every one of our deals with those philosophical pillars in place, regardless of the administration, we'll be on the right side of public policy and politics. And so with that in mind, we expect that the Biden administration will return more to the Obama administration norms, and at the same time look to probably expand the public option with regard to offering citizens the opportunity to participate in the healthcare insurance marketplace.
What types of deals have you done in recent years? Just this has been your focus. You've tried to stay steady, looking through this and trying to serve underserved communities. Where does that lead you?
Yes, so it's led us to venue shifting, meaning taking patients out of high-cost venues like nursing homes, ICUs, into alternative care settings, meaning palliative care, it may be hospice. That area has exploded with regard to growth. Again, we invested in two years ago. Again, we invested in telemedicine focused specifically in mental health 3.5 years ago. Again, tremendous, tailwinds with regard to that area of healthcare. Also, diagnostic testing, focus on hospital-acquired infections. Again, the worst infection you can get is an infection in the hospital. And so, again, understanding, the dimensions of that problem, being able to identify it and then try to correct it. So the other area that we've been focused on is we call value-based care, which is really our central thesis, which is away from the idea of fee-for-service, but in fact more focused on outcome.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.